Hey, thanks. You show me that thing like once a day.
Ah, the fuse must have blown.
Ah, damn it. Oh, hell, I never got batteries for the flashlight.
Daddy, what about glowworms?
Fine, just give it to me. Ass packing end table.
Daddy, what's glowworm hurt?
No, Daddy's kneecap was shattered like a dinner plate, but glowworms ain't okay. Don't worry, honey.
Honey, be careful on the basement stairs.
Oh, really? Because I thought I'd go down backwards, hopping on one foot. Boom. Stairs. Where's that thing? Fuse box. Oh, come on, work, damn it, work.
Honey, I think the power's out for the whole block. It's a blackout.
I'm back. Thanks for all your help.
Daddy, where's glowworm?
Here's glowworm.
He's not lighting up when I hug him.
Hi, I'm Robot Chicken.